Last month we spoke about division by zero, and division by zero comes out to undefined. And actually it comes out to positive and negative infinity at the same time. And we can see that using a graphical approach. So this shows a graph of y equals 12 divided by x. And as x gets smaller and smaller, and it starts going up to positive infinity. If you start dividing by small negative numbers, at the same time it will go down to negative infinity. And so the first table shows an xy table showing how as x gets closer and closer to 0 that the two y values do what's called diverge. They're headed in two different directions. On the second xy table, that one is stepped even more finely. That one is stepped in 0.001. So in this case we're getting really close to 0. And as x gets closer and closer to 0 from the positive side, it's headed towards 12,000. And as it's headed from the negative side, it's headed to negative 12,000. So again, it's going in two different directions at the same time. And we can actually write that with calculus notation with limits. So as x approaches 0 from the positive side, it's heading up to infinity. As it's going from the negative side, it's headed down to negative infinity. And actually, exactly at 0, you can't even get there. That's actually called does not exist. 12 over x is called the reciprocal function because you take the x and you flip it to the bottom. You could use 1 over x, but 12 is great because it works with so many numbers. And so 12 divided by 0 is undefined, and this is a graphical approach to showing that. And your calculator will say error, but here I wrote undefined. Thank you very much.